Surprising truth. A TV wall can become the most stylish feature in your living room when you treat it like furniture, not an afterthought. Welcome to Decor Like Dream, where today's focus is trendy TV wall unit ideas that balance beauty, function, and comfort. Think floating cabinets, layered shelving, and soft lighting that flatters evening binge sessions. Whether you rent or own, these ideas flex to your layout, budget, and style, creating a polished focal point without overwhelming your space. Start with a design principle. Make the TV part of a composition. Frame it with slim shelves, fluted panels, or textured plaster so the screen feels integrated, not stranded. Choose a console length roughly 2/3 the width of the wall to anchor the arrangement. Add vertical lines with slats or book towers to lift the eye. Keep negative space around the screen for visual breathing room, and hide cables to preserve that calm, gallery-like mood. Color sets the tone of your unit. Earthy neutrals, warm sand, mushroom, and soft camel feel cozy and timeless. For a trend-forward twist, pair deep emerald or smoky blue with matte black hardware. Light woods like oak and ash brighten apartments. Walnut adds boutique hotel depth. If you love contrast, paint the TV niche a darker shade so the screen visually recedes. Layer in linen, boucle, and cane textures for tactility that reads inviting rather than techy. small space. Float the cabinet and let the floor run clear beneath to make the room feel bigger. Choose a shallow wall-hung media console with push-latch doors to keep lines clean. Mount the screen at comfortable eye level. Then add a narrow picture ledge above for art or seasonal decor. Corner layouts benefit from a curved console or L-shaped shelves that soften angles. A swivel mount helps align sightlines for sofas and dining chairs. Lighting turns a simple unit into a destination. Add LED backlighting or a subtle cove glow to reduce eye strain and create evening ambience. Downlights can graze fluted panels, while micro spotlights highlight art or plants on shelves. If you're budgeting, stick-on puck lights inside cabinets bring boutique vibes for less. Hide a small power strip behind the console and use cord channels for a neat finish. Warm temperatures around 2700 to 3000 K keep everything cozy.